Welcome to Chisholm Trail 61. Today we're going to be doing a chicken recipe, a really good old recipe, an old Amish recipe. I'm going to show you how to fix Amish baked chicken breast. I'm going to show you how to do that coming up right now. Okay, first thing you're going to need for your Amish chicken there is I got 3 just boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and all I'm doing, I'm just laying them down and I'm just cutting right in the middle. Just cut them right down through the middle so that they're not quite as thick. You know, you don't want them real thick. Just slice them in half like that, and I'm just laying them over here in the bowl for right now. I had already done one of them before I thought to turn the camera on. So I got three boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Mine still froze just a little bit. You know, I mean, I didn't let them thaw completely out because it makes them easier to cut when they still got some, still just about frozen. I'm going to trim some of that fat off of it. I have a lot of fat on it. You can trim some of the fat off of it like I'm doing there. And throw that over out of the way. And just put them up in the thing. Then I'm going to move this out of our way here. I'm going to take that knife and I'm going to get these gloves off my hands. Because I don't need, well, I don't know. I may want to keep them on until I get this done though. In here, in the bowl, I got 1 cup of flour. Here I got 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of paprika. And I'm just going to dump all that in on top of my flour. I'm going to take this whisk and just whisk it around a little bit in the bowl there just to get it mixed up. Hold that up so maybe y'all can see what I'm doing there. That looks pretty good right there. Now, here I got a 9x13 casserole dish that I just sprayed lightly, you know, with cooking spray. I'm just going to take my chicken breast. I'm just going to dip them in my flour mixture. Just dip them in, sort of move them around, and lay them down. Just get them coated good like that. And then I'm going to put them right here in the casserole dish. I'm going to do that with each piece, each individual piece, just making sure, you know, you get it all down in the little cracks and things there, you know, where it's folded, your chicken's folded. And then just lay it down in the dish. And this recipe, what it does, it makes its own gravy, like for over mashed potatoes or rice or whatever you happen to be fixing with your chicken. You don't have to make gravy separate. It'll make its own little gravy. So we want to dip that in there, sprinkle this a little bit on top, and just sort of pat it down in there good. Just get it in good, get it coated good. And we should be able to get all 6 pieces of this in the, like I said, 3 chicken breasts, so I got 6 pieces, and we should get it all in this. It's a 9x13 casserole dish, and I should be able to get it all in that casserole dish. I just want to be sure that I get them coated good. Just a little bit there, and this is the last one here. I believe we're going to be just fine with it. I believe it's going to work out good. Amish baked chicken breast. Let me know if y'all ever heard or ever eat Amish baked chicken breast. Put this one right here. Just like so. I'm going to set this over here out of our way. And now I'm going to take these gloves off, because I am done with them. And I'm glad to get them off. I don't like wearing them gloves. I can set this. Well, I'm gonna need that though. All right. Scoot this back out of the way just for a second. In the bowl here, I got 1.5 cups of just regular water. Just regular tap water. Here I got 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream. I'm just going to take and pour that heavy whipping cream right over into the water. That's 1.5 cups of water, 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream. Now I'm just going to sort of give that just a little bit of a stir is all I'm going to do there. Just sort of mix it, make sure the water and whipping cream's mixed together good. Put that over. Bring my chicken back over here. And I'm just going to pour it right over the top of my chicken there. Just let it drizzle down over my chicken. Just making sure that I get it all the way around. Just like so. Now, can't believe I did that without spilling it everywhere. Hey, but anyway, getting back to our recipe. We're going to put this in a 350-degree oven now for 1.5 hours until, our chicken gets brown, starts browning good on top. That chicken start getting brown, 1.5 hours. And then 350 degrees, and we'll bring you back at that point. Okay, we got our Amish baked chicken breast out of the oven there, and you can see how they've made the gravy and they brown on the top. That's what we're looking for, is when they get good and brown on the top there, and they make that gravy there. We're going to dip us out a piece of chicken here, and I got me some mashed potatoes here in my plate. We're going to dip us a piece of chicken here, and we're going to get it up. We're going to put us a little bit of that gravy mixture on top. And I like my gravy a little bit thicker than that, but that'll do. We're going to see what it tastes like. All right, we're going to give us a little taste here. We're going to get us a taste of this gravy stuff first. I'm going to mix it in with my mashed potatoes some first. I like gravy on my mashed potatoes. And see what it tastes like first. It's probably still hot. We've had it set in there probably about 10 minutes or so. That's some really good tasting gravy. Like I said, a little bit thinner than I prefer, but it is really good tasting. Cut me off a piece of, oh man, look at how tender that chicken is. It just fall apart. Look at that. That chicken just fall apart. What I'm talking about, you don't even need a knife for it. Try a piece about of it. Mmm. Mmm. Man, what you talking about? Hey, that is some good chicken. Now that may be the most tender chicken I ever cooked right there. Hey, if y'all would give this video try this recipe here. I think y'all be surprised by it and really like it and enjoy it. If you would, give the video a thumbs up. Like, share, comment, subscribe to our channel. We appreciate all of you do. Appreciate all of you take time every day to watch our videos. Amish baked chicken. We'll see you on the next one.